Okay, today is the 23rd of January and it is my 31st birthday and I'm currently going up here. This is the cheating way to do the Ben Lomond track because you get a lot of it out of the way by cable car. Okay, I made it to the top. I'm going on those things in a while when I go luging, which is like go-karting. And look at the view, it's spectacular. This is why I love Queenstown so much. So here I am, second time going up, and I don't know if you can see that mountain behind there. That's the one I'm going to attempt to climb after this, so we'll see. And that's the luge I was on just now. Very cool. Okay, starting the trail. See if I can do it. Definitely worth a try anyway, and if not, at least then I'll try it. So this is the beginning of it. It's Ben Lomond, and there is a track down there somewhere, which I'm going to take. Okay, found the track. Hopefully get to that peak, fingers crossed. It's worth a try. Back in the woods to keep cool again. I'm starting to doubt if I can do it. I'm not made for hiking. I'm fucking out of breath. But quite far up. I know. Yeah. So I'll keep going for a bit. And I might give up because I don't have travel insurance. If they need to send an air ambulance when I collapse, it's going to cost a lot, so I'm going to go as far as I can and see. Anyway, see you later, hopefully. Bye. These are just going down the gondola in the cable car. Yeah, right, do you think I'd give up that easily? I don't think so, somehow. Every time I get to the brow of a hill, there's another bloody hill. Getting there. And look, more. Oh well, keep going. Okay, so still going up. Did say I wouldn't give up. And getting ever closer. Not too far. Just around that track and up. Go up that way. Up the side. Right, see you soon. Okay, getting a bit closer. And still out of breath. It's getting windier and cooler. And there's less oxygen around. Well, that's a bit of a breeze anyway. In front of the Remarkables down there, there's big jagged mountains, there's a bit of a hill. The other day I was in the climate and I thought, fuck that, it's too high, I can't do it. And now look where I am. 1 hour away from the summit. Definitely not going to go right, 3 hours here, right, whatever. Not bad. You're probably sick of this view, but it gets better the higher I get. Like, and look how much closer it is. Not far. It's basically up there, up the track, and up to the top. That's great with just your finger, but unfortunately it's not that easy. Anyway. This is awesome view. I'm gonna sit here and have my bloody lunch. Look at this. Fucking wow. I know I swear a lot, I don't give a shit. Look at that. Fucking amazing. Oh, you won't blame me. You're feeling dizzy? Look how fucking nice it is. I'm not there yet. see in the background over there, the airport, and there's the path has just walked up there, and there's a lake, there's a town, the Remarkables in the background, and it's pretty steep, but yeah, almost there, just that last bit. Oh shit, it's getting windy. Anyway, by the way, I kind of feel I should record how worn out my face is. Let's see, do I look pretty mashed? Anyway, it's getting steeper and harder and rockier, but not nearly there. Fucking hell, I feel drunk. There's definitely less oxygen up here, so just taking it slowly. Anyway, this is so fucking tiring. Anyway, seems to get higher and higher, but hey, I can do it. Just met a guy coming down. He said the worst bit is the last bit because it's really steep, and I see what he means. Anyway, nearly there. And I'm like, fuck, am I giving up now? No way. Look at that view. Anyway, about to come over a ridge here. I think it might be a view. I'm thinking. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Look at this. Jesus Christ, that's steep. Oh, fuck. It's a bit windy. Woo. Look at that lake. Just pass a couple who they said I'm only 5 minutes away from the top. Fucking A. I'm about to die of exhaustion, dehydration, out of water, but I drank so much on the way up. I need to save some for the way down, please. Let this be the last bit. Oh, I'm begging. Fucking made it. Oh, fuck. Top of Ben Lomond on 23rd of January 2009, my 31st birthday. And I made it. Serious sense of achievement because I've never done anything like this in my life before, apart from climbing the mountain behind our house when I was about 10 in Ireland. And I'm gonna have a good rest and I'll lie down, maybe a doze up here for an hour, and then take the journey back down, which is much easier apparently. So here's the Lake Wakatipu in the background. Some more people up here. Queenstown and the Remarkables. Okay, you think going down would be easy, but actually it's quite steep. So I've already slipped twice, nearly fallen down those rocks, and it's alright. I've got my music to make me walk faster and fall. Anyway, see you at the bottom, hopefully. If not, hope you enjoy this video, last one. And see ya.